So these other features that are already pre-filled by YouTube, I suggest you leave it like that for now. You can go ahead and put some tags. Make sure you're putting tags that are related to your channel or tags that are related to your video, okay? So for the tags, I'm just going to say how to upload videos on YouTube and all of that, because that's what this video is all about, right? Language and caption. What language was this video recorded? Select English or whatever language that the video was recorded in. Recording dates and location, just go ahead and pre-fill that. You can see here where it says that viewers can search for video by location. So location is very, very important. All right, so just scroll all the way down and enter all the information related to this video. Okay, so for category, it's usually set to people and blogs by default, but I like to change it here and put it to how to and style, because this video is how to do something, right? So for comments and moderation, of course, you want to leave your comments on so that you can see when people comment on your videos. For moderation, it's just you telling YouTube to filter out some words, especially, those words that those words that will normally make YouTube to flag a video down. So you can choose here whether to keep it at none, means you don't want YouTube to hold any comments, no matter how bad it is, or you can put it to basic, strict, or hold all. So I normally leave it at basic, which means I want YouTube to hold some inappropriate comments, okay? So depending on the type of video you make, if you start seeing lots of inappropriate comments, you can always come back and change it to strict or hold all. Okay, so let's move on. Sort by, I normally leave it at newest so that I can see the newest comment that somebody dropped on my video, okay? All right, so this is what I was talking about. The video is done uploading, and these are just few still frames from the video that YouTube is suggesting for thumbnail. So you can choose anyone here, or like I said, you can go ahead and design your thumbnail from Canva and use that one, okay? All right, click on next and let's go to the video elements. All right, so here you want to add subtitles if you wish to. Subtitles helps your video to reach a broader audience, okay? Especially if you've recorded the video in English, you can add subtitles for other languages so that other people from other countries or other language can watch your video and understand your video, okay? For end screen, we're not going to be adding any end screen to this video because this is the first video that we're uploading to this channel, right? So subsequently, when we upload a second or third video, then you can add end screens to that video, okay? End screen is basically those videos that show up towards the end of a video, okay? And you can only do that when you have other videos on your channel. Same thing for cards. You can promote a related video during when that current video is playing, okay? Cards are usually links to other videos or links to other stuff or website that you want people to visit when they are watching your video, okay? But we're not adding any end screen or card to this video just yet, okay? Click on next